power of attorney forms. There's two general ones that I deal with in most all estate planning. One is dealing with healthcare decisions, and one is dealing with assets. I usually make the triggering for that with the assets be that the doctors have said that you're not capable of understanding at that moment. This doesn't mean you won't recover, but that's at that moment that you really can't be signing your name to a document, that you really want someone else to be stepping in your place for that. And if you trust somebody enough to be able to do that, you can elect them for a general power of attorney. The healthcare power of attorney is a little different, and that's why we have separate documents. And that is probably the most commonly used document that we have in all of our estate planning documents. And that is saying, here, doctor, if I'm in a situation, and it happens every surgery when you're under anesthesia, if you're in a place where you can't make a decision at that moment, like mid-surgery, if something comes up, you are giving that power to make that decision to another person that you trust. And then you can have a succession of those people. But it's really good to have somebody in that spot. And then what's it's really used for the most is that you are giving permission to somebody to come in and talk to the doctors and know what's going on and not worry about HIPAA violations and that sort of thing. They can share with you, with this person that you trust, to be representing you. When you're conscious and when you're a part of all the decisions, you get to make the decisions when you're conscious, but they can be part of the process and can hear what's going on. It can be very, very helpful, and then they can share that information to family and friends as you would wish. So it's really helpful to have somebody be able to be in that position for you and to work with you and to work on your behalf at the times when you can't be making those decisions and they know you pretty well.